You were not lost at all. You dig the content. And what I loved is that you had a Halloween theme, but it didn't overtake you.
Same doctor.
He's slow.
It's Medicare open enrollment. Have you compared plans yet?
It's easy at Medicare.gov.
Or you can call 1-800-MEDICARE.
Medicare open enrollment. You'll never know unless you go.
I did it. You can too.
Everyone knows the KitchenAid Artisan Mixer is the ultimate kitchen mixer. But with its built-in attachment hub and available attachments, it can also replace so many other appliances. With the new food processor attachment, it slices
He's lazy.
shreds and jams, a new juicer and sauce attachment, and an ice cream maker attachment. Ice cream, soda, and gelato will ignite your culinary creativity. Make the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer the culinary center of your kitchen. There's got what I need today. Now my home is ready for the holiday. Everything you need is outside. Santa's there online. Being a good host can be so stressful. Always successful. There's got what I need today. My home's ready for the holiday. Shipping's free and I'm safe. From furniture to flatware, it's the season to save at Wayfair.com.
Thank you for watching tonight's holiday presentation of Angels and Ornaments.
Canteen Forever. Only Tuesday at 10, 9 Central on ABC.
Want to see your future? Here.
Where you live is more than a zip code.
I live to give.
It's
Okay,
what you
so
live for.
anyone want to be a plus one to my celebrity bag?
No matter how you live, 27 is where
Why?
you live.
I'll do it.
I have to pay 44.
I have to pay you. Or you have to pay me.
Pay a player of your choice.
Oh, of your choice.
Pay a player of your choice. 40,000 to be your plus one.
Before he wound up in that alley.
Oh wait.
Something
What for me?
that
I did.
into the soda box. But whomever he went up against, sent those forces.